Hi, good morning or good evening to everyone. So welcome to the Perl tutorials. So in the last tutorials we have seen about the file operations, what is the file concept, and how do we open a file, how do we read the data, how do we write the data, and how do we close the data, and close the file. So this was the earlier tutorial. And now in this tutorial we'll be seeing about the time function. So what are the different kinds of time functions that we can use, and how do we print the date or time onto the screen or onto the reports that we generate using Perl. So this is, I can say, like, this is very important. Why? Because whatever you process, the time or date is very important to provide some acknowledgement to an end user or to other systems whenever you transmit a file from one system to another system, or when you create a report. Okay, so there are several usages of times. Now let's understand how it will work. Time returns the number of seconds since Jan 1st 1970, and let's declare a variable called now, and time is the keyword that is predefined so that it will capture the time onto this. The local time converts that into more usable values like seconds, minutes, hours, d, month, day, month, year, weekday, years, day, and ISDST time, and the local time. So this is the local time. When we use the local time, so that it can split the time into these variables. And now let's see how it works by writing a program. Okay, so let me check this time, edit. So here I can see like $time, so it is trying to print the time here. So what I will do is first print the time is the present time is $time /n, and I will add it. So here I can print individual variable. Okay, so print the seconds are, okay, then next print the minutes are, okay, then print the hours are $hour /n. Okay, then print the day day and so on. The we can see month is $mon. Okay, so in this way I can write the program, and in order to execute, just go to command prompt and just know the path of it. If you know the path of it, just copy the path and paste it here, and my program is time.pl. So you can't open the Perl script. So what is the name I have given? It's a programs. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can see the present time is 414688986. So it's total displaying hours, minutes, seconds, and nanoseconds. The seconds are 24, the minutes are 24, and the hours are 8. That means 8 hours. I mean, it's the morning 8 a.m. and the day is 19th. Today is 19th, and the month is 6. So here what we have to understand here is always in Perl, especially in Perl, the indexing starts from 0. Okay, we have a 12 months, so the indexing starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 11. So 6 means it's the month of July. So in this way we can write the program, to get the time zone and the times by using this time variable, and at the same time you can use the local time so that the time can be split here. Okay, so in this way the days will work, the time is going to work, and you can modify it accordingly. So for example, here I have written as this month, right? So then you can update the logic. So if it is returning, if this particular variable is returning 0, it means like Sunday. So if you want to print that Sunday, then you can use your own logic, and you can printed there. So that's how a time will work and the usage of it, and enjoy practicing it. Have a good day.